everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. So what I'm going to do is I got this mixer from a friend of mine quite a while back. It's one of those real heavy-duty KitchenAid mixers, and actually she gave me a note with it. Let me show you. Okay, so the note basically says, Linda, I have used this mixer once, but it has been in the cabinet for a while. Parentheses years. If you think it has issues, you can bring it back and we will discard it. It still works, but it may need some cleaning. Okay, now she gave me this quite a while ago. So I do not have a regular mixer, so I cleaned it up, like I said, really good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of the Dollar Tree. I'll show you in a minute. And also, guys, I don't know if I mentioned that this is my Whatever Wednesday. So I got this at the Dollar Tree. I actually bought it yesterday, but I put it in the fridge so it's nice and unthawed. Okay, so I got it all over there. No big deal. So, and here are the other parts of this. I guess you can make bread with this too, bread dough. So anyway, guys, I'm going to put the smoothie stuff in here. And I have never used this mixer. Okay, so this is going to be... Okay, let me just show you what I did too. I just washed this. I washed it all. So let me go ahead and I'm going to try to get a better camera angle. Actually, I'm going to just show you what I just did too, because I really don't know how to use this. There's no instructions with it. So I just kind of turned it, and it's on there really good now. Let me do that again. So, because I don't know if I had it in the camera. A minute. Hold on. All right, here it comes off. It's got like a little thing. And then I kind of turned it, and it kind of gripped it. So I honestly don't know if this is going to work. Let's check. Okay, because I don't know. Let me turn it. Okay, so I think what you do is, and I don't know, there's a little handle right here. Alright, so nothing happened. Okay, let me, I don't know what to do. Wait a minute. Because I do want to make this. Let me try to figure this out. Okay, I found the thing that says off. Okay, so I guess that means I can turn it to this piece. Hold on. Oh my god, it works. Watch this. Oh my god, I can't wait to put it in there. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to open that and I'm going to put it in there and we're going to watch it together, okay? And this, like I said, is Dollar Tree. Oh god, I can do can I do this with one hand without making a complete and total mess? I got this at the freezer section of Dollar Tree. Come on out, guys. Okay, so there it is. I mean, you know, I checked the date on it. It smells good, and I mean, I don't know how it doesn't really like look really good. Well, let me tell you what's in it. It has bananas, strawberries, and blueberries, it looks like to me. Okay, because here's the pack. And I can see bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. So anyway, guys, let's put this on, and I'll try to get a really good shot of it mixing, okay? So we'll put it on the lowest speed. Let's put it on higher. Did I say I'm making a smoothie? Because I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm going to go really high. Oh, working good. I forgot to mention that oh, you know what I didn't do? Actually, I didn't, I don't think I secured that bowl at the bottom. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, I got it secured now. Okay. Because I felt like it was moving around a little bit. I'm going to go faster. I want it to be really, really blended. Because I don't have a blender. Now I know why everybody loves these things. And now I know why they're so expensive. This thing weighs like a ton. And I got it for nothing. Alright, let me shut it off. Now what I just remembered though, hold on 1 second. I forgot to put it, I had it over here and I forgot to put it at the top was down. I don't know if you can see that. That's the top up on the right and the top down. Let's see if it makes a difference of what I just did. Hold on. No, I don't think so. But anyway, I would recommend that you kind of do that. Alright, so now I'm going to add a couple things to it. Okay guys, this is almost like kind of an instructional video too if you've never used one of these before, because I just tried to lift this up and I couldn't, so I guess that locks it. So now I'm lifting it up. Now I can lift it up. Okay, so I'm going to put some chocolate from, I have a little bit of some of my chocolate powder left. I'm kind of just making the smoothie up as I go along. I don't know how good it's going to be, but I love chocolate, so I bet it's going to be okay. Okay, and then I'm just going to put a teeny tiny bit of milk because I want it to go through the straw, you know, and hopefully it will. So let's... Okay, so I just did the thing on the other side. I locked it because that's the lock, I guess. And now I'm going to do this one more time with the milk and the chocolate in it. I'll go to the big speed. It's not getting hot or anything, so it's actually pretty good. I'm not feeling like it's, you know, because I have never turned this on, and I'm talking about, she gave this to me like 5 years ago. But the only reason I felt comfortable about it because of the name of it, like it's a pretty good name, the KitchenAid. Okay, so I'm just gonna like, see how it's coming like, oh, I keep forgetting that that's the lock on the other side. Okay, see how it's got some like thick pieces to it? So I'm gonna scrape those off, give it one more whirl, and then I'm gonna put it in the cup and I'll tell you how it tastes. Okay, I'm being super cautious. I'm using a rubber spoon. I can't find my rubber spatula anywhere. So I even put on like my Ugg boots that have rubber on the bottom of them. I wanted to make sure, you know, just in case, because this hasn't been turned on in years, you know. So I want to take all precautions. And to release this, you do have to push up. I was over here trying to figure out how to release it. Okay, so I'm about to pour it in the cup. This doesn't have like a lip on it when you pour it, I noticed. Some of them do, I think. I think the newer ones kind of do. But then again, I don't know. I just assumed that it had a lip on it to pour. Okay, so I tasted it with the spoon first, and it's so delicious, okay? So I guess this is like a mixture of like an instruction video of how to use the KitchenAid, right? Mixer, right? And let's see if the Dollar Tree made a good smoothie. Okay, so it is delicious, guys. It is absolutely delicious, but it won't go through the straw. So I have to probably figure out a way to, I don't know if this blender would be able to make it really tight. Maybe I needed more milk. I don't know. Does anybody have any suggestions about how to make a smoothie and make it so that it goes through the straw with this mixer? Because I'm new to everything on this. I'm new to making smoothies. I'm new to using that mixer. I kind of winged it, but I'm about to drink it, guys. It's so good. This is my Dollar Tree Summer Vibes cup that changes colors when it is changing colors too, right? Alright guys, thanks so much for coming along on my Whatever Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.